arrived at the Thackray Museum of Medicine just before 10 a.m. There was a steady, gentle rain. Waiting outside, under the rain, were a small, eager group of visitors huddling patiently to be let in. This impressive building was previously the Leeds Union Workhouse. Up to 450 inmates lived here in the 18th and 19th century as the last resort for the provision of relief for the poor. It is now one of the major museums of Leeds. We are here setting up Anna's exhibition titled Fragile Microbiomes. The main room is already painted a dark blue, green, grey, and the plinths and mannequins are in place. We began the process of laying out works. There is a great deal of careful unpacking, each piece photographed before it is unwrapped. I set to work installing Anna's sculpture I've been working on over the past few weeks. Anna applied the colorants and other materials to the jars and the inner vases. All the pieces slotted together with a pleasing fit, a personal satisfaction for the many iterations on the design. The final installation will have a large case placed over it tomorrow. The lighting needs adjusting to bring it to life. In the evening, we went to Thackray, a fine Thai restaurant that we often go to when in Leeds. We ordered 2 portions of prawn crackers, and the server said no couple had ever ordered so many. Upon returning to the hotel, there was a guitar case on the ground outside. It had been there since we left for dinner some hours ago.